In this video, we are going to understand the importance and meaning of environmental scanning. Environmental scanning is of utmost importance for a marketer as it does not create only opportunities but it also creates challenges to the company. It helps the marketer in taking the right kind of decision for present as well as future. It helps the marketer to be in the market for a long run. HP saw the opportunity coming in the form of digital printing and then it became the leader in the market. Apple is always keeping the market on its toe with its innovative offerings like iPhones, iPods and iPads. Now Samsung has been continuously updating its Galaxy series smartphones, while LG has launched world's first curved OLED TV. Now it is all due to environmental scanning that the companies are innovating on their front. Now constant scanning of the marketing environment is going to be the key of success. You need to look at all the factors consistently and continuously to do well in the market. Being aware and being innovative is the only formula for success which can make a company survive and grow in the market. Let us recap. In this video, we discuss the importance of environmental scanning. A marketer needs to check out the environment and its various factors on an ongoing basis to stay ahead in the market. Thank you.